Okay, guys, so I know a lot of people are getting stressed out with the Creator Insights tool, and everybody's like, it's not working, like, what's going on? Like, my account is not growing, like, I'm not getting engagement, I'm not getting anything. But what I've found is actually helping a lot more is either the content gap is really good. The content gap is content missing on TikTok, which will show up, it shows up some of them in this searches by followers, and this is what your followers are searching. So you kind of want to focus on your current followers and then make content based on all these, make content about any of these. Some of them you might not know what they are, so like you don't have to do them because like what? But like this seems interesting, like could use that one potentially. But yeah. That's just a couple tips that I've found with the Creator Insights tool, and I hope that helps you as well. So if you need help with this, because I know this tool can be super confusing and it's really difficult to use, text me at 646-249-3561 and I'll help you out.